Today, we're going to talk about a common issue with the iPhone 8 Plus, specifically related to no service and identity issues. But don't worry, we've got you covered. You might be surprised to learn that these issues can be fixed in just 20 minutes without even opening your phone. That's right. Our team of experts uses Apple's CPU reading to identify the problem and get it fixed. So, if you're facing any issues with your iPhone 8 Plus, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to help and provide you with the best possible service. Thank you for tuning in.